In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there that is being attached. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, please navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Now, the moment you have typed it, the best match should appear. Please click on the open option to continue. Eventually, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser the moment you click on Open. All you need to do is you need to wait until a Windows search bar would be available for you. Once it's here, please navigate directly to it. Okay? Navigate directly, clear on it, and make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted the link, click on the Enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be redirected to this megafile website. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see the file or the file that is being attached, which is the zip file. So click on this download, which is being placed next to it, and please kindly wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, please navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and you need to navigate to the zip file that we have just recently downloaded. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to move the zip file to the desktop. So how we can do so? Make a right click, okay, and by that click on this cut icon. Once you do that, close the window as well as this one. And here, please make a right click and go by the paste icon. Now, the moment you have pasted it, we need to unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to unzip that. You need to make a right click and go with extract all, and in that way you would be able to unzip that. Or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So click on extract to HP LaserJet 1015 and wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, set this aside beside the extracted file. Navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it. And from here, please locate for printers and scanners, and you would be able to see a window like this. Click on Add Device. And once done, click on add manually to manually add our printer driver, and kindly wait until a new window would appear where you can add or where you can start on the adding manually for our printer. So click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this as three USB port. In my case, I'll be setting for USB 001. Click on have disk. Click from here, since our desktop, our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to it. Scroll down on the list, double tapped, okay, and it will show you the driver here. Click on open, click on OK, and it will be added here. So all you need to do is you need to locate for 1015. Okay, so just locate for it. Okay, so we just have to locate for it. So I can see it here. So click on next, and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done since we're almost there. Once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.